Welcome back to another video. It has been a little while. I've just been stuck on this job here. I'm down the Gold Coast and on the 10th floor some pipes burst and the water came gushing down and damaged a few levels, so I've been fixing that up. We've been replacing the bottom sheet. Just gonna set down this tearaway bead right here. Once you do the third coat you can just peel that back, and obviously the carpenters beat me to it. So I just pulled the skirting back and put my bead in behind it. I'm just going to give it a quick scrape now. And then we're going to top coat it. Been getting a lot of pinhole problems. If you see this, not much you can do about it. Some people say you can put dish soap in there, and I have done that just for a video. But I'll tell you what, it smelled good. You really want to scrape it back because you don't want all of this junk falling in. This is a tearaway piece right here. You can use it, pretty much just tears away like that once you're done. I'm using this Gyprock gold topping compound. It's okay. It's better than the regular Ultra Top. The regular Ultra Top just leaves so many bubbles everywhere. I'm not going to mix this up. I should, but I don't have my mixer up here at the moment. I just got a few things to do before I go home, so we'll just mix it up like that. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. My favourite is this Australian brand. It's a Pro Plaster product. It's called 4T. Oh, it's good. Whenever you're going and setting on a surface that's already been painted, you're always going to get pinholes. We don't notice you won't get pinholes over the fresh board, fresh drywall or plasterboard. Only where it's been painted you can see here. So you can't do too much about it. Now, I'm just gonna load it on, make it a bit wider. I'm scared to go too wide because you just get pinholes. But that's alright. Pinholes, they don't take long to dry when you have to come back the next day. That's nice. This 6-inch blade is definitely the most versatile. If you're going to get one, get a Hyde, a 6-inch blade, stainless steel. It's my most commonly used blade. My most precious. Has good control. And these blades are not for scraping with, like scraping concrete. And that's it. I've got a few other little spots to do. We'll go and do that, and then it's home time. this back, we'll load it up, and then I'll do the tearaway for you. Trying to do it one-handed for you guys. I'm going to bring it a bit wider than that, and I'll use that blade. Beautiful. Alright, I think this is 40. I got my phone ringing in the other room there. Alright, that's pretty good. Loaded up one side. What I'll do now is just curve the blade, take that edge. Now, if you haven't used this in a few minutes, you might get a few little scratches. I'm going to hit it again. Oh, that's slick. So I'm just loading it up. And then your next swipe, you can make it neat. Now I'm doing it like that because we've got an architrave going to about there. Okay, so as long as that's good. And I'll just take my sixer. There we go, I can see that pinhole in. So that's good. That's what we want. Yeah, you should wait till this dries. Kind of hang on to it like some rope. Alright, yeah, that's it. Just tidy the bottom up here. That'll be alright. And that'll do it for me. Thanks very much. The sun is going down. And I'm out of here. I'll see you next time.